Welcome to English Heights. Today's video is not just about money. It's about something far more powerful. It's about mindset. Because the biggest difference between rich people and poor people is not money, education, or luck. The real difference is how they think. Many people stay stuck in life not because they lack talent, but because they never learn to think like successful people. Your thoughts shape your life. If your thinking is small, your life becomes small. If your thinking is powerful, your life becomes powerful. You don't need a rich family. You don't need a special degree. You don't need permission from anyone, but you do need a rich mindset. And that is exactly what this video will help you build. But before we start, let me ask you something. Why did two people start from the same place in life, yet one becomes successful while the other stays stuck forever? Why does one person grow stronger after every failure, while another gives up after the first problem? The answer is simple: mindset. Today, I will share 7 powerful ways rich people think differently, and if you start applying them, your future can completely change. So listen carefully, because the first mindset shift is very powerful. 1. Rich people set big goals. Poor mindset thinks about survival. I just want to pay my bills. I just want a stable job. I just want to get through this week. This kind of thinking feels safe, but it also keeps your life small. Rich people think differently. They ask bigger questions. What kind of life do I truly want? What impact can I create? What can I build in the next 10 years? Big goals force you to grow. A small goal asks nothing of you. A big goal transforms you. Think about Elon Musk. He didn't say, I want to build a small car company. He said, I want to change transportation and move the world toward clean energy. People laughed at him, but today Tesla is one of the most valuable companies in the world because big goals create big results. Remember this. Your life will never grow bigger than your goals. 2. Rich people take responsibility. One powerful sentence separates successful people from average people. My life is my responsibility. Poor mindset blames everything. They blame the government, they blame their boss, they blame their past, they blame their luck. But blaming gives your power away. Rich mindset asks a different question. What can I do about this? Imagine 2 people lose their job. One person complains and waits. The other updates their resume, learns new skills, and searches for new opportunities. Same problem, completely different result. When you take responsibility, something powerful happens. You stop complaining. You start acting, and action changes everything. 3. Rich people have self-discipline. Motivation is exciting, but it doesn't last. Self-discipline is what builds success. Rich people don't wait until they feel like it. They work even when they feel tired. They practice even when it's boring. They keep going even when nobody is watching. Self-discipline means doing what needs to be done even when it's uncomfortable. Look at your phone screen time. 3 hours, 5 hours, maybe more. Now imagine using just half of that time to learn a skill, improve your health, or build something meaningful. In 1 year, your life would completely change. Success is not about talent, it's about consistent effort. 4. Rich people invest in self-development. Rich people never stop learning. They read books, they learn new skills, they improve their mindset. While most people spend hours scrolling social media, successful people spend time growing their mind. One of the richest investors in the world, Warren Buffett, spends most of his day reading. Why? Because knowledge compounds like money. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. If you improve just 1% every day, in 1 year you will become a completely different person. 5. Rich people value time. Money can be earned again. Time cannot. Every successful person understands this truth. Poor mindset wastes time without thinking. Rich mindset protects time like treasure. Instead of asking, how can I pass the time? Successful people ask, how can I use this time to improve my future? Reading a book, learning English, building a skill, creating something valuable. These small daily actions build extraordinary results over time. 6. Rich people learn from failure. Failure scares most people, but successful people see failure differently. They see it as a lesson. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times while creating the light bulb, but he didn't see it as failure. He said, I discovered thousands of ways that do not work. Every mistake teaches something. Every setback builds strength. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the journey. 7. Rich people keep moving forward. The final difference is simple. They don't give up. Even when things get difficult, even when people doubt them, even when progress feels slow. They keep learning, they keep improving, they keep moving forward. Because success is not built in one day. It is built through small actions repeated every day. So remember this, your future is not decided by your past. It is decided by your mindset and your actions today. If you start thinking bigger, taking responsibility, disciplining yourself, and growing every day, your life will change, and your journey starts now. If this video made you think differently and helped improve your English at the same time, make sure to subscribe to English Heights, because here we are not just learning English, we are building strong minds and powerful futures. Thank you for watching. Now go take action. Your future is waiting.